In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through this master plan community that was recently announced by Fusion Homes here in Kitchener, Ontario, in one of the best neighborhoods you can find here in Kitchener. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to divide this video in two parts. In the first part, I will tell you all you need to know about this community, your options, closing, pricing, incentives, all of those stuff. And the second part is where I will walk you guys through the entire neighborhood and tell you about all the amenities from schools, shopping, dining, highway access, all you need to know so you know exactly where this is located and why this makes it a desirable option for many families. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. And just before we do get started, in case this is your first time to this channel, my name is Dharmik Dixit. I am a local real estate agent serving Kitchener and surrounding towns, and I do have people just like you reach out to me looking for help in making their move in and around Kitchener, Waterloo, and I absolutely love it. So whether you are thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. You can call me, text me, email me, or even schedule a Zoom call. All the info is right below in the description. I'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move in and around Kitchener, Waterloo. So let me tell you guys all about this community. So this is a single family detached homes community offering 30 and 34 feet wide lots. With a 30 feet wide, you are looking at from 1700 square feet all the way to 1925 square footage, above grade with a 3-bedroom layout and 2.5 washroom. With a 34 feet wide lot, you are looking at somewhere around 1900 square feet all the way to 2350. That's the biggest layout you have. So there are a range of floor plans to choose from between those 30 and 34 feet wide lot. Now, in terms of closing, you are looking at anywhere from August to December of 2025. So all you can see right behind me are all the lots which are already marked. So you can pick and choose. They have some lots that are released at the moment. But yes, as a buyer, you will get to choose whether you want to close sooner, say, summer of 2025, or you could push it towards the end of this year. But all the closings as of right now are happening between August and December, and your deposit will vary based on how soon or how far you choose to close. Now, they are going to have a couple of model homes pop up come, end of March, April, hopefully by then. But I already talked to Fusion. I know you guys love to look at those model homes. That tells you about the builder, the caliber, the build quality. So we are going to do the model home tour when they are up and running. But in terms of incentives, there are some great incentives being offered. Let's talk about the pricing first. We are looking at for 30 feet wide lot from low 900s into high 900s, so 919,000 all the way to 999,000 for a bigger floor plan. Now, just keep in mind all the pricing, all the information, including the incentives and all those things, subject to change at any time without notice, because those are the things beyond my control. They are controlled by the builder, and of course they can change anytime. But yes, as of right now, those are the pricing. For 34 feet wide lots, you are looking at pricing from, low $1 million up to like 1.1 and up. So those are the couple of options. Now, keep in mind 34 feet wide lots, they are 1.5 garage. So you will get a bigger garage. They are not double garage, but you will get 1.5 garage. So you can still park your car easily, one car, and will still have space for your storage and stuff. Now, in terms of the incentives, they are offering some great incentives, one of which is 10,000 decor dollars, whether you do purchase 30 or 34 feet wide lot. Now, you might ask why Fusion Homes? Because there are a bunch of other builders building in this very community. I can just name a few. Matamy Homes is offering similar 30 foot and 36 feet detached homes. We have Heathwood Homes actually right behind me. I'll do a separate video about them. They're doing a townhome in this very community, but we'll do it in a separate video and I'll tell you about that community. But Heathwood is also doing bigger detached homes on 36 and the 40 feet wide lots. But why Fusion Homes? What sets them apart is the fact that you do have an option to choose a lot of custom layout options. So unlike some of the other builders in this community of Kitchener, which are offering pre-selected handful of upgrade options when it comes to those layouts, Fusion Homes I feel like is a great builder which offers you to make those layout changes, customize to your needs without having to pay the price of a custom builder. So that's what sets them apart in this space, because you have a lot of custom layout options and you can really pick and choose and customize to your own family's needs, unlike some of the other builders which are only giving a handful of pre-selected ACO options and you can only choose one of those options, but you are not able to make a lot of layout changes with a lot of other builders in this community. So that's what sets them apart. So if you are rather, family looking for that destination home or something where you really want to settle down and not think about moving for the rest of your life, then Fusion will give you that option where you will not have to compromise on a lot of things. And like I said, I am going to do a tour of the model home, so you will get to see what it is like. Now that we have talked about the homes itself, let's take it a step further and talk about the neighborhood as a whole. Well, Williamsburg neighborhood is, highly rated for some top-notch schools. In fact, I can name a couple of great schools located within the boundary of this neighborhood. One is the Williamsburg Public School, which is highly rated across the Waterloo region. It is an elementary school. The other one is the W.T. Townsend, which is also within the boundary of this neighborhood. Now, just keep in mind the caveat to that is it's a brand new community, so we may not have a school district that's assigned yet, the borders and the boundaries of where your kids will be attending the school too. So just keep that in mind. But overall, there are some great schooling options, which makes a lot of families to consider moving into this neighborhood. Especially if you got school-going kids, then this could be a great option living in Kitchener to make sure they attend some of the great schools we have here. One of the other reasons is amenities like highway access and the proximity to some shopping and day-to-day dining options pretty much at your doorstep. I mean, Highway 8 from here through Fisher-Hallman is going to be about 3 to 4 minute drive. And talking about the shopping, I mean, we have a big Sunrise shopping plaza where we have an outdoor strip mall, which is 5 minutes from here because I just drove past it. So I know it's about 5 minutes. And you may not even have to go there because guess what? Right across, this is the Fisher-Hallman Road, and right across it, there's a brand new plaza that opened. It's called the Sunfish Shopping Center. And we have food basics, we have Dollarama, we have a pet supply store. I think I saw a bunch of, those takeout restaurants. So all those things are pretty much, I don't know if you can see, but you can literally see from your home at your doorstep. Maybe a short walk or a short drive in those winter months. But even a step further, a couple of minutes down, you have Williamsburg Town Center, which is again a big shopping center, a bunch of strip shopping plaza where you have Sobeys, a bunch of banks, gas stations, all those things. So despite moving into a brand new community, you will not go through those growing pains of a growing community. So for all those reasons that I did state earlier, that's what makes this a highly desirable community for many young and growing families looking to settle down in a great neighborhood filled with amenities and great schooling options, while at the same time, you have options to buy from a reputed builder who offers ton of custom upgrades to choose from and some very good pricing and incentive. Now, if you would like to know more specific details about this or any other new build community across Kitchener-Waterloo, then be sure to reach out. I'll be more than happy to assist you with that. And once again, whether you are thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 months, and whether it is new build or resale, be sure to reach out. I'm very easy to talk to, and you can call me, text me, email me, or even schedule a Zoom call. All the info is right below in the description. I'll be more than happy to help you and family relocate in and around Kitchener-Waterloo. Until next time, well, I will continue to show you around town.